Alright guys, here in Pullman our air mass is just about to explode. It's already doing it. Look at that thing building super fast. They're going to cluster together and we're going to get it today. Beautiful. All these little cumulus clouds are going up vertically pretty fast. So you can just see them going up slowly from what we see, but actually it's explosive development. How big they get real fast. Look at this one. Wow. Alright, I'll be back when there's a little bit more activity.